My name is Greg Shondell, here with Himalaya. Behind me is a 1966 Series 2A Land Rover. This has been reimagined from the ground up with our team here in Charleston. Starting from the foundation, we've rebuilt this vehicle on a custom coil sprung chassis. We depart the old leaf sprung suspension. We put wider axles on it to give it a stronger base on the road. We add power steering, we add disc brakes, none of which this vehicle would have had in the 1960s. That comfortably allows us to upgrade the engine. This particular build is going to have our most modern platform. It's got a 6.2 liter GM LS3 Corvette motor. Very modern power and performance, about 435 horsepower, pairs beautifully with a 6-speed automatic transmission. But it also pairs beautifully with a 5-speed manual for those looking to keep it a manual. This platform is not only more drivable, but more importantly, more serviceable. This is an engine that we can get serviced at any general automotive shop here in North America. From an interior perspective, every stitch of it is done at our facility in Charleston. The goal with these vehicles is to upgrade them, but make it look like it never happened. We want to upgrade everything we touch. But again, you don't want to get in here and see anything modern. So inside this center console, you'll have 2 speakers and a subwoofer, all marine grade. You're going to sync up seamlessly with your smartphone. We have big, beautiful gauges on the center there. Classic aesthetic, but those are going to give you the readouts to pair with that modern engine behind there. 6-speed automatic, replicates the look of a manual. Again, keeping that classic aesthetic. Our upholstery team has done leather accents throughout. We've done custom wood flooring in the rear. Again, all marine grade. This truck has seating for 6. With this drivetrain, the mission is to make these vehicles very drivable for anyone in the family. A 1960s bone stock series is a challenging vehicle to drive. There's double clutching, it's small engine, terrible brakes, charming, but not for everybody. This vehicle's ease of use is very high. So this is a vehicle we're all very proud of. I don't know why I'm talking to you anymore. I'm going to take a drive. It's Friday. We're out of here.